In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use a gaming headset on the Nintendo Switch. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Using a gaming headset on your Nintendo Switch is very simple. In fact, there are multiple ways to do this, and you can choose according to your preferences or what you have available. The most straightforward one is to connect the gaming headset via a cable. So if you look right beside where you place or insert the game card on your Nintendo Switch, there should be a headset jack like this. In there, you will be able to input or include a 3.5mm cable originating from your headset. Immediately upon connecting the cable into this slot, the headset is going to get detected natively and you are ready to use it inside of games or anything else that you do on your Switch. Now, if you don't have access to a cable or you have trouble using this slot, there is also another option. What you can try next is to connect via a USB dongle. If your gaming headset has wireless capabilities, you can use a USB dongle. You do this by simply connecting the dongle on one of the available USB slots on your Switch, and the gaming headset should be picked up automatically. Like I said, this is going to be a wireless solution, so you don't even have to worry about a cable. You will be able to go far away from your Switch and still be able to hear everything without any issues. The last option that you have, which is pairing via Bluetooth, is also convenient, and as the name suggests, it's also going to be wireless. To do this, just go into the settings of your Nintendo Switch, and in there you will be able to pair a new Bluetooth device like so. Immediately upon selecting the option to pair, as long as your headset is in pairing mode and you choose add device, it is going to get picked up and, like I said, natively work with your Switch. I hope I was able to help you on how to use a gaming headset on the Switch. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.